Welcome back to Beauty Mountains Images. Before we start, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also if you have done it already, share this video after watching. Let's create a document we are going to use to do our design. So let's go for inches. Let's use 10 by 10 inches. Great. Alright, let's add our type tool. Okay, now come to the background and turn the visibility off. Let's change the color of this text to white. So come here and then choose white color. Okay. Now come to shape. Let's add a shape on top of our text. Okay, let's change the color also to white. Choose the type tool again and let's write. Alright, let's change the color to red. So come to color and let's pick a red color here. Let's change the text to blank. Okay, select the shape, click on this point, right click and choose perspective. Hold this side and drag it upwards, and increase this one also a bit by dragging it downwards. Okay, hold this point and drag it to the right. Okay, so let's resize our text and also resize our shape. Okay, come to layer, press and hold the Ctrl key and select this layer and also the shape layer. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to copy these two layers. Now drag them. Okay, select the layer, then click on this point also, right click and choose flip horizontal. Double click on the text to edit. Okay, so let's resize our text. And also resize our shape. Okay, so this is our design. Now let's create another document for our t-shirt. So come to File, New. Alright, so let's pick A4 here. Come to Print, then A4. Let's use the landscape. Great. Let's import our t-shirt. Drag and drop it right here. Okay, so this is our t-shirt. Let's import it into our project. Okay, we are going to add our design to this shirt and see how it will look like. So come to your design document, and once we are done, press and hold the Ctrl key and select all the layers that you have made, then right click on the background and choose merge layers. Okay, let's drag and drop them on our t-shirt. Resize it. Okay, now we are done with the first step, but let's look at how it will conform to the contours of the t-shirt when it is printed. That will lead us to the second stage of our work today. So what we are going to do now is to select our original t-shirt. Press Ctrl and J key on your keyboard. Now this is our original t-shirt. Hide it. We are going to use it later. So for now we are going to work with the copied one. Let's also hide our design. So this is the only one left here. Now select it, come to filter, let's add some blur onto it, so come to Gaussian blur. Alright, so 5.8. Okay. Now after that, let's add an adjustment layer. So come to adjustment layer and then come to hue saturation. Now come to saturation and drag it to the left to -100. So you have one more adjustment to add. Come to adjustment layer and also let's add levels. So we are going to change the position of the shade and the highlight. We are doing this because our design is going to use the highlight and the shades to conform to the contours of the t-shirt. Now let's save what we have done. So before you save, make sure again that our design is turned off and also our original shirt is also turned off. So let's save what we have done here. Come to File, then Save. So let's give it a name. Let's call it shirt. Then click Save. Okay. Now once it is saved, just select these three, then let's group them and hide them. We don't need it anymore. Now let's turn on our original t-shirt. Let's turn on our design. So what we are going to do next is to select our design, come to Filter, then come to Distort and choose Displace. Okay. Now it will open a window where you are going to find the document that you just saved. I named or I labeled my shirt and it is right here. So select your document and click Open. Now if you noticed, there was a slight shift of our design. So it is telling us that it has been adjusted or conformed to the contours of the t-shirt. So let me zoom in and let's see what is going on. If you want to zoom in, press and hold the Alt key and use your mouse wheel. So this is what we have. Let's make it more visible. Select your design, then come to FX, that is Layer Style. Click on it and choose Blending Options. So now in the blending options, we have blend this layer. So we are going to blend our design to the underlying layer, that is our t-shirt. So press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard and press on this. Now hold the right one and drag it to the right side. Now I am going to do it, so just observe what is going to happen to our design on the t-shirt. You can see that it has conformed nicely to a t-shirt. Okay. Now let's click OK. Now there is one more thing I want to do. I'm going to change the color of the t-shirt. So if you want in-depth tutorial on how to change colors of t-shirt, please comment below and I am going to do that for you. Something like this. So select it and come to the blending mode and choose color. Alright, so we have come to the end of this tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also if you have done it, share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.